Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm filming a hair review. This is my first hair review for 2020. So excited, but I'm also nervous because I feel like I'm gonna mess up because I haven't filmed like this type of video in a very long time. But I hope you guys are good. Yeah, so this is the hair I'm reviewing today. This is from QTHAIR. So I'm gonna leave all the details in the description box. So if you guys are interested and want to buy this hair, please make sure to check out my description box. Everything will be there. The description of the hair, the length, yeah, just basically everything. So just make sure that you check out my description box. Okay, so let's get straight into it. So it comes in this Ziploc bag. Is it called a Ziploc? I don't even remember. But yeah, this is the hair. And then they also sent me guys, they also sent me not sure if you guys can see, but they also sent earrings, silver earrings, and they sent these very interesting lashes. Guys, I've never seen lashes like this before. But I also saw a picture of someone wearing green lashes on Twitter. So they sent me these red and black lashes. Guys. Okay, sorry. The lighting is just too bright. Wait. I'll try to... Yeah, so this is how the lashes look like. I'm not sure if you guys can see the color. So they also sent these normal black lashes and the hair. This is a 20-inch body wave, I think. Yeah, I think I chose that body wave, the basic wig that everyone needs. So yeah, that's why I chose it. And you can straighten it, you can curl it, you can just do so much. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. It's so nice. And this is a frontal. You guys know I always prefer frontals, and it comes with the elastic band. This one is different and it's so strong, so no one will ever snatch your wig. And then it also has the hair clips and then the adjustable straps. So yeah, this is how it looks like. And this one is the undetectable lace. So yeah, this is how the wig looks. It comes with the middle part, but because this is a frontal, you can obviously like not use the middle parting and do whatever you like. And then it also has baby hairs. I think these are baby hairs. Yeah, it has baby hairs. So I'm gonna try it on and see. Band, I've never had a wig with this band before, and I feel like this band is really amazing because the wig is not even moving. Like no one would snatch this wig. Like, let me just show you guys. Like, it's not moving. It's so tight, not in a way that it gives you like a headache. It's just tight in the right way. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut the lace and I'll come back to you guys. So this is how it's supposed to look. It keeps on disturbing me. So this is how it looks. I think I'm also gonna use the I'm gonna go over this over the lace here with my bronzer. Just make sure that it looks as natural as possible. I don't think I'm gonna do anything. I kind of love the natural wave. I love the natural curl. It looks really nice. So I'm just gonna quickly change and I'll come back to you guys so that you guys will be able to see the hair, because I'm sure you guys can't see the hair now because everything is black. So I'm gonna change and come back to close this video. Okay, so I'm back. I've changed. This is how the hair looks like, and I'm just gonna show you guys the length. So this is a 20 inch body wave, and this is how long it is. As you guys saw, I didn't really do much, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Please don't forget to check out the description box because all the information about this hair will be there. And yeah, I think that is all, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.